How to change Facebook profile picture without notifying friends. So in order to do that, let's first head over right here to our three lines and then head over and click on your name. Now, click on this camera icon right here just near your Facebook profile picture. Click on this and then from in there, head over and click on this choose profile picture. Now this will open your camera roll, photos of you suggested as well as upload. So for this case, let me head over and then just choose in here a photo that I want to use as my profile picture. For example, let's choose this one. And then in here, you can see this share your update to newsfeed. So if you turn this on, this will notify your friends. But if you untag it or unclick it like that or unmark it, it will not send them notification that you changed your profile picture. It will also not appear on their feed. So just uncheck that and click on the save icon. So that's how you change Facebook profile picture without notifying friends. Hope we helped.